Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is a reaction to another Doorbell video, and it's 5 scary videos filmed on Doorbell camera, or by Doorbell camera. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've done a lot of these types of reactions recently. They're always something to watch, you know. It's just a lot of stuff that I don't even enjoy watching, but for some reason I still do the reactions. But yeah, some of the situations are just crazy, and yeah, we're just going to check this out. Hopefully you're going to enjoy. Links are in the description to my Patreon if you want to see some more videos of mine. But let's just jump into this.
Number 5. What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019. The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home.
Oh my days, I just clocked. Oh my god, it's surrounding. Fuck. Bro.
It's okay, girl. It is okay. Get your dog.
People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached.
Hayden, it's okay.
Jesus, man.
Oh my God, this doggy's back.
Don't drop your dinosaur, man.
Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved.
Wow. Flipping hell, man.
Number 4.
Oh, shit. This is the type of stuff I didn't want to see, bro. People come to people's doors at night.
It's everyone's worst nightmare, a home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
Oh, fuck me. Jesus Christ, bro.
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage,
What do you need?
but then the man came into the house.
He came in. He came inside.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Oh, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f*** are you?
He's just gone.
Go it. Robbie.
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Somebody's got the back door, dude.
Yo!
For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
Bro.
Joking, dude.
I know, I see the light. Oh, look.
Number 3. You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker.
Yeah, this is the worst construction outfit I've seen. It's like he's trying to pretend he is, but you can just so clearly see he isn't.
He peers inside to see if anyone's home.
Jesus.
Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious. He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove, no prints. Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime.
God
Then he
damn.
calls someone on the radio.
It's like a whole operation. What? And someone else is coming now.
His partner arrives. armed with the tools to break in. In short order, they try and force the door.
Fuck me, man. You've got nothing else going on, you fucking waste of space.
But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away. And triggering an alarm.
They definitely got caught, man. Oh, that feels so good, bro, because they had their faces planted all over the screen and everything. Wow.
Number 2.
Oh, shit.
Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this? These two suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner. They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
Oh, mate.
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick.
Did he just say, I don't think he's asking, I don't think he's wearing a mask because he's sick? Well, no flipping shit, bro. What?
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick.
Oh, this guy is so funny, man.
He tries again. At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are
What the
oblivious.
fuck?
They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the US average.
Bro, what?
There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
Bro, imagine how scary this would be, even though you're inside and everything. Just seeing this on your camera, you would be shitting yourself, bro. Oh my days.
They try knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way.
Oh man. So I heard the sirens. I wonder when they'll clock it.
Finally, they give up, and they walk away empty-handed.
I hope they got caught, bro. God
Number
damn.
1. A tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the #1 spot, then listen to this.
Someone just driving around at the same time. What the fuck? I thought for a second it had been car was going to crash into the building. God damn, that scared me. That the ending bit was the scariest part. I mean, these weren't necessarily as scary, but I mean, it's still, the doorbell ones are always just crazy to see, to be honest. But yeah, the ones where people are trying to rob you. It's so funny because no one's going to open... Well, there are, that's why they do it. But you just don't open the door at night. Just don't do it. Like, even if you've not got a cam, just don't open the door. It's just one of those things you just don't do at night time. But that's why I feel like I'm safe in my apartment, because no one's coming to your door. And if they are, I'm not answering it if they come to my front door and knock. No way. If I see it downstairs and I see on the picture thing, you get like a camera and you know you're getting a delivery, or you know you got something coming, then you answer. But yeah, man, but hopefully you enjoyed this reaction, and until next time, like, subscribe. Peace.